How to promote Redbubble products on Pinterest. Hi there, today we will learn about how to use your products on Redbubble and promoting it here into your Pinterest account. So what you can do is you can begin with opening your Redbubble account, and what you will do first is to create a product that you want to show into your Pinterest account. So what you can do here is that once you're logged in, you go to your profile and you go to sell your art. That's the button here, that's the red button. But before you click on that, you can actually browse into the different products that Redbubble offers so that you will have an idea or you will have an inspiration on what are the products that are best selling and what are the products that you need to sell that are in the market so that you will be able to improve or so that you will know that your product is selling your product would be um, effective as well. So here, what you can do is you need to create a design that you want to incorporate into your Redbubble product. You can actually use Canva rather. This actually is an editing platform where it allows you to create stunning designs. There is a free, or this actually is a free platform, so you can actually create designs for free. But if you want to have unlimited access to all of its features, you can use the Canva Pro option. But here for us to begin, you can actually click on Sell Art as I mentioned earlier. And then here on your dashboard, you click on Add New Work. And then you can either have the option to upload new work or you can copy an existing work. So what we will do here is that we will upload a new work or a new design that we will incorporate here into our Redbubble account. Here. So since we currently don't have an existing work that we have on Redbubble, we can go back and then we just click on upload a new work so that we will start designing or incorporating our design that we created on Canva and apply that into our product. So I have here an existing design that I have, and I'll just click on open, and then it will automatically route me into the Redbubble platform where I will be creating the listing. So here you can see that I have different works or designs that I imported from Canva or edited from Canva and then have it here on Redbubble. So with the new work that I have, first you need to set up a title. You need to make sure that your title is catchy or it has a lot of keywords so that when your customers or your clients will look for it, it will be one of the products that will pop up into their um, results. So here you can look into product reviews. You can enable and disable a specific product if you don't want that to be part of your listing. So, for example, you have this bucket hat, and then you can actually click on edit, and then you have the option to edit the bucket hat on your end. And here you have this phone case, you have a pillow and totes. So, you have the pillowcases as well. Where if you don't want to have any spaces or gaps into your pillowcase, you can actually set the position into grid so that your design would be seamless and it would be all in one color. You also have this curtain here. So if you don't want that only one square into your curtain, you can actually set the pattern into offset grid, and then when you click on, or you can also scale the image if you want that to be a large scale, or you can actually adjust the percentage. So from there you can actually click on center vertically or center horizontally, and then you can click on apply changes, and you will see that instead of having a white curtain with a square with a design on it, it now filled the whole curtain with the design. So there's a lot of products that you can enable and disable if you don't want that to be added into one of your listings. So similar to this clock here that we will be enabling into one of our listing, you can edit it as well and have it into this position or the pattern. Then you can scale. It's just similar to just we just do this so that it would fill out all the spaces and there is no blank spaces here into our design. Here we have bottles. You can enable and disable those informations here. You have the phone wallet and a lot more products that you can actually incorporate. So you have here as well a tote bag where you can modify the pattern once again, and then you will see that the image in the tote bag is much bigger. So it filled out the spaces of the tote bag that can, or that's where the design will be input. Once done, you can click on save the work. And you need to make sure here that you indicate whether this product has a matured content or not, and then agree to the terms and conditions as well. Here, so it's currently being processed. We just need to wait for it to fully load, and then you will be routed into this page where this is a demo. This will showcase all the products that you've enabled into your Redbubble work. So from here, what you can do is go to your Pinterest account and log in. You need to go to your profile, and here on your the plus icon, or here in your profile, you'll be able to see that it's currently under personalized. You click on this arrow on the upper right corner, and then under your accounts, you need to convert it into business. It's actually for free if you upgrade it to business account, so no need to worry, just click on upgrade. So it actually has other features that will provide you once you have the business account. So here, for you to build your business profile on Pinterest, you need to have a profile name. You need to indicate whether you have a website or you don't, and then you indicate your location as well. You need to also describe your business on what your business is about, and you also set your goals and describe your business as well. So you have, if ever you're a blogger, creator, influencer, film publisher, you have that option. And here they would ask as well if you want to run ads into your Pinterest. So you can have, or you have these options to choose whether you want to opt in or not. Once done, here they will ask on how you'd like to start, whether you want to showcase your brand or share your ideas, and then click on save. And here they will provide you a brief introduction, and you'll be routed into this page where this is where you will be adding your product images. So for example, we'll have the name of our product, since we will look into our Redbubble and look into the product that we want to promote in Pinterest. So first here, I would actually use the pillowcase. So you can choose a ocean designed throw pillow cases. You have that option. Since our design that we created in Canva is mostly marine themed, so we have an ocean design throw pillow. And then from here, we can add a product description, and then we can add the product images as well. and we will incorporate the link later on. So we go back to Redbubble, and here this is the throw pillow that we will indicate. So we click on pin on Pinterest, and then you will need to log in or add this into your Pinterest board, and then you can create a new one and then name it, and then click on OK. So this may take a while, so you just need to wait for it to load. So while waiting, what you can do is you can actually click on the image that you have and then click on the three dots menu here and then click on upload image. Here you will see the different variations of showcasing the throw pillow that we designed. So you can just click on the download icon for all of the images so that we will be able to incorporate that into our Pinterest um, account so that we will be able to promote that as well. So we go back to Pinterest, and then here we can upload the images by dragging and dropping these images that we've downloaded into our Pinterest account. So we either have here a collage or we have this um, like a carousel where you can just swipe into the different image that you have downloaded here. So you can also choose on what image you want to feature, or you can organize the images on what image will go first and what comes last into the different images that we will showcase here on Pinterest. So you can just click and save. And the next thing that we will do here is that we will add the link. So the same option, click on the three dots menu and copy the link and then paste it here into the space provided. Or you can also have the view product page as well and then manually copy the link here on the address bar. Just select all of the links and then click on copy and then paste it here into our Pinterest account so that we will be able to incorporate the link. Once done, you can also input a brief explanation on what the product is about. So here you can copy into your Redbubble product page. You can just copy and paste the features. And then you need to make sure that you also add the title as well as we did earlier. Here, so I just need to finish everything up. Make sure that you have the correct link and you input the description as well. And then from here, you need to make sure that you have the product title. And then once everything has been filled out, you can click on publish. And then from there, you can start promoting, or that's basically the process of how you will be able to promote your Redbubble products into your Pinterest account. Once you have the product listed, or you have added your design or created your own work, you can actually set up your shop here on Redbubble by creating your profile, add a cover page, add your social links. You can also add your description or a short bio on what your shop is about and what are your focus here on your Redbubble account. You can also set up your image as well or your social links here. And from there, when someone will click into your products that you've promoted into your Pinterest account, they will be routed into your Redbubble shop. And then from there, you have successfully promoted your Redbubble products. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.